Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fit forward focus roof bars. First, unpack all components and lay them out, referring to your instruction manual. It's crucial to ensure you have all the necessary parts and tools before starting. Next, thoroughly clean the roof's mounting points to prevent any debris from interfering with the installation. Finally, identify which bar is for the front and which is for the rear, as they are typically different sizes. Now, let's attach the mounting brackets. Begin by carefully placing the protective rubber pads onto your forward focus roof at the designated mounting points. These pads prevent scratches and provide a stable base. Next, align the brackets with the roof's attachment points and gently secure them. Make sure all bolts are hand-tightened at this stage, allowing for minor adjustments before fully tightening them down. With the brackets in place, it's time to install the roof bars themselves. Carefully lift the front roof bar and position it onto its corresponding brackets. Once aligned, begin to tighten the bolts, ensuring even pressure on both sides. Always refer to your instruction manual for the correct torque specifications to avoid over-tightening. Repeat this exact process for the rear roof bar, making sure both bars are level and firmly secured. Before loading anything onto your new roof bars, perform a thorough final check. Go around your forward focus and double-check every bolt and connection point to ensure they are all securely tightened. Give the installed roof bars a gentle shake to confirm their stability and that there's no excessive movement. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned, please see the link in the description below. Enjoy your new roof bars.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.